Aloha everyone, hope y'all are doing amazing. I just wanted to come on here to give a little life update and also give 5 tips on how I've been adjusting to living on the mainland back with family. First things first, daily meditation. That's the one thing that you can't really replace with anything else. It allows your higher self to be fully grounded in the body, and when you start the day, it's like your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the one that activates your cranial nerves, the vagus nerve. So certain things you can do to activate the vagus nerve or to stimulate it is to put ice on your face, or like wash your face with cold water, or use like a jade roller and keep it in the freezer or something. You don't have to do it every day, just whenever you feel like you need that extra calmness. CBD oil is also something that I really recommend. I like to take it before I meditate just because it really helps your nervous system like slow down like right away within the first few breaths. And yeah, I have a whole video on meditation just for people who want to get deeper into the meditation. So number 2 is water. This is so important because we're made from water, and water is doing the activations with plasma, and it's like the 4th state, shifting us into a higher dimension because it's all water and we're underwater. Since I'm back in Texas, which is where the water has fluoride, I got a shower filter from Amazon, and it has like tourmaline and like shungite and stuff in it. It's gonna help filter out the water because your skin is like your largest organ. Ideally, I would like to get like spring water delivered in glass jugs. That's kind of like a future. I switched to reverse osmosis. The one I have has like 12 filters, and it filters like everything out. So you do have to add trace minerals back into it. And I also have like a water vortexer. I'm not sponsored in any way or affiliated. Mayu water vortexer is like a magnetic vortex, so it does require electricity, so you plug it in the wall. I'll show you in a sec. It vortexes the water. It gets like the extra fumes of like whatever out and makes the water taste better. And so I also have like copper cups. I'm just gonna explain this. So copper is like the electricity. It puts like it's the conductive, and it puts like the good chi mana back into the water. And it also kind of shields it from like negative influences. So copper cups, like 100% pure copper, really recommend. With a copper cup in the water vortexer, it's like you get the electromagnetic. Intention is like the most important thing when it comes to water, and it can read our minds, it can read our thoughts, it can read our feelings. So I also recommend chlorophyll water. So this, I've been drinking it. You can get like these drops, and it really like cleans your body out, and it also gives you more oxygen. So I just want to do a little preview. This is the reverse osmosis machine, and then this is the Mayu water vortexer. I love it. I highly recommend it. There's a magnetic base, and it basically aerates and vortexes the water, so I do notice a difference energetically. And then this is the copper cup that I drink my water out of. So this is for electricity, and that's for magnetism. Number 3 is, I know this is gonna be hard for a lot of people, but no phones after 6 o'clock or sundown, or 8 o'clock if you want to start with something easier. And people are just so addicted to technology in the virtual and the fake world nowadays. It's kind of scary. People are literally married to their phone. They go to bed with it and wake up with it first thing, and it's kind of, I don't know, I just feel like my higher self, every time I'm on my phone screen too long, it messes with my eyes. The blue light, like my eyes are very sensitive, especially because I take Sananga pretty often, and I feel like taking Sananga makes you not really want to be on the phone as much, because you realize like the eyes are the window to the soul. So you realize like all this information you're intaking. AI is spying on our privacy, so I just feel like people need to be more aware of how to keep themselves protected, because the world that we live in, it's easy to just be like, oh, whatever, like it doesn't really matter anyways. But I feel like once you're awakened to a certain point, it just makes you realize like you want to do the best that you can. So sunshine first thing in the rising. I know it's the winter time, and some days like you don't really get enough sun. I'm very well aware of how much sun I get every day, and I try to get as much as I can during the winter time, because you can go like a whole day with no sun, and it really makes you feel depressed. I don't know if that's just me. That's been an adjustment. I'm learning how to be more grounded in my yin energy and being okay with resting, because it is the winter solstice time. So we could have about 3 months before it's springtime, which is the actual new year, and also the year of the water dragon, which I'm super excited about. I really wish I had a child at this time. Think about, like, most people live inside with AC and a heater, so it's like you're breathing in artificial air. So the best thing to do, get up, go outside and get the sun and fresh air in your lungs, and also break fast with fruit. I just feel like the rising time, if you're at home and you're not like going to work or something, it's ideal for purifying and keeping the temple clean, and just fasting as much as you can, whether it's like starting the day with some fruit and tea and just like not eating your first actual heavy meal. Indoor plants is another thing. It just adds life and good circulating energy to your room and your home. It's a good reminder that we need to take better care of ourselves, because the plants always need certain things and you really need to be intuitive to be able to tell. I'm gonna do a little tour of my art studio because I want to show y'all some things. This is a little painting I was working on. There's a lot more little details to go. I'm definitely gonna add a phoenix to it. And then this is the one I'm currently working on. It's my favorite part. And yeah, the sky is definitely not done yet, but it's a start. I also want to show y'all this painting that my mom and I did. I love all the sparkles, the little details, and also the texture on this water is amazing. I did that. The glitter, the iridescence. Then we have a solar eclipse situation happening, because when we moved in, that's an event that was occurring. We got the pyramids with the gold caps on top, and the gold leaf sun represents the yin and the yang, because right side masculine, left side is feminine. Convergence and harmony. This piece is called Serenity. So yep, not for sale. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. If you want to follow my art IG, I'll link it below. I've been posting more on there lately. Hope y'all have a blessed winter solstice. Peace.